Hello friends, in previous lecture we have discussed a test to find out the winding resistance test. So in this lecture we are also going to discuss one very important test, that is open circuit test and short circuit test of the transformer. Now basically these two tests are very much important and which is very frequently employed test to analyze the parameters of the transformers. And very first is open circuit test, second one is short circuit test. Now why they are used? These tests are for performed to find out these parameters. Very first is the equivalent circuit of the transformer. As such, in company floor we are manufacturing the transformer, but to analyze the transformer, to discuss the transformer analytically, it is much more important to find out the equivalent circuit of the transformer. So these tests are very useful to find out the equivalent circuit of the transformer. Second is voltage regulation of the transformer, and third is the efficiency of the transformer. Okay, so whatever be the parameters we will get after this open circuit test and short circuit test, these are much more important parameters to find out these three things. This is very much more important for the transformers. Okay, now let us try to discuss the open circuit test, or in other way this can be said as OC test. So figure shows over here the circuit arrangement for this test. One ammeter is connected, voltmeter is also connected, and wattmeter is connected. As such, in this open circuit test, the high voltage side of the transformer is kept open. Okay, and a minimal supply is provided, and the minimal supply is provided by the variac to the LV side, and the values are gradually increased to reach the rated value. Okay, and as such we have kept the HV side, high voltage side we have kept open. So whatever be the current that is flowing into the transformer is just employed to magnetize the transformer. Okay, and whatever be the reading that has been noted down in the wattmeter will be only show that the core loss. Okay, to magnetize the transformer core, whatever be the power employed, that can be taken out from the reading of the wattmeter. Okay, now let us try to discuss the short circuit test, and that can be also called as SC test. And figure shows the arrangement of this test. Now in this test, the low voltage side winding is kept short circuited. As such, whenever you do some short circuit, so at that point of time the current reaches to the very high value. So due to this reason, this LV winding of this transformer in this test is taken as short circuited. Okay, so after giving this supply from the variac, and it is increased gradually, and side by side it is checked out that the temperature of the low voltage side winding may not rise to very dangerously high value. Okay, and after reaching the rated value, this reading of this wattmeter has been taken out, and whatever be the reading is taken out from the wattmeter will show you the copper loss of the transformer. As such, the low voltage side of the winding is short circuited, not connected to load. So whatever with the current flows through the transformer will show only the copper losses of the transformer. Okay, so these are very most important test which is performed on the transformer. So after performing this test, what are the main conclusion came out is, after performing this test, all the parameters which are required to develop the equivalent circuit can be made available, and therefore the performance of the transformer can be estimated analytically, that we have discussed earlier. Okay, so thank you guys. In next lecture we will discuss other test of the transformer. Okay, if you like the lecture, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, Rahul Jadhav.